Right, I'm seeing Korea trying out the Korean food, and today we're in Gwangjang Market. This market right up here. We're here to test out all the food. Last time we're in Myeongdong. We don't know what kind of food they have here. This is kind of street food. This is a one-stop place for all the foreigners. Let's go test out the food.
Welcome to Gwangjang Market, Seoul's 120-year-old food paradise. Once famous for silk and hanbok, today it's all about the snacks. I'm talking about the addictive Mayak Gimbap, named after the cocaine drugs. They're Korea's drug rolls you can't stop eating. Then the giant, crispy mung bean pancakes, Korean pancakes grace in oil like the Bible once stated. The market has also got the chewy Korean pig blood sausages. Well, you feel it is yucky. Yeah, maybe. But I'm here to try them for you. And finally, the live octopus that wiggles on your plate. One of the natives' favorite. The market is a maze of smells, sizzling pans, and shouting vendors, all wrapped in one delicious, slightly chaotic experience. Hi, I'm Henry, the Globetrotter. I travel the world to show you how people eat, cook, and enjoy food across cultures. Join me on YouTube for exclusive mouth-watering food adventures. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to keep the journey going.